Why should you learn karate? First thing, why not? There are many benefits in learning karate, but in that I will explain 3 benefits why you should learn karate. Number 1. Physical fitness in karate. Karate is a full body workout that can improve strength, flexibility, and balance and coordination. Strength and power. Strength and power are essential components of karate. This involves training to build strength and explosive power in the arms, legs, and core muscle. Flexibility. Flexibility is an important component of karate, which helps to reduce injury and ensure that the most complex techniques can be executed with ease. Balance and coordination. Balance is important for fluidity of movement as well as to maintain a strong stance when executing a move. Coordination is needed to ensure that multiple body parts are moving together in a smooth and precise way. Training drills such as jumping rope and shadow fight can help to improve balance and coordination. Number 2. Self-defense in karate. Karate teaches techniques for defending oneself in dangerous situations. Self-defense in karate can be broken down into 3 core components: katas, mindset, stance, and footwork. Katas. Katas are prearranged sequences of movements done in a specific order and speed. Practicing katas allows martial artists to ingrain the power technique needed for self-defense. Katas can also help martial artists to develop coordination and balance, as well as increase their overall timing and agility. Mindset. A martial artist must be able to assess the situation and make quick, appropriate decisions. This can only be done if the martial artist has the correct mental attitude, which comes from training and experience. Stance and footwork. Martial artists must understand how to move their bodies in order to gain leverage and to be able to quickly evade an attack. The correct stance and footwork will also allow the martial artist to move with strength and grace. Number 3. Discipline in karate. Karate requires discipline and focus, which can be beneficial in other areas of life. The 3 pillars of karate are respect, focus, and control. Respect is the foundation of karate. It involves treating opponents, instructors, and the art itself with respect. A karate practitioner should show respect at all times, whether they are in the dojo or out. Respect allows the practitioner to learn from mistakes and improve as they train. Focus. Focus is the key to mastering karate techniques. A practitioner must be able to stay in the present moment and concentrate on their movements. A single distraction can cause the practitioner to lose their form and techniques, leading to imbalance and incorrect application of karate. Control. Control is the final price of the puzzle. A practitioner must be able to control their body, their breathing, and their movements to effectively apply the techniques they are taught. Without control, a practitioner will not be able to execute the techniques effectively. If you have reached till here, now reach out and hit that like and subscribe button. Comment what you want to see next.